Hello guys, how are you feeling today? Good, good, good. I am good too, thank you for asking. So, I see everyone is in good mood, happy and ready for our new lesson today. Okay, what are we going to do today? We said before. Yeah, story time. We are going to read story, and also after reading the story, we will do some writing activities too. Yeah, so we are going to improve our reading skills and writings. Yes, it is true. Our story is called The Kite That Went to the Moon, written by Evelyn Sharp. Did you hear it before? You read it before? Don't give any spoiler. Good. Okay, let's look at our story. I want you all look at our smartboard. What do you see? What is it, do you think? What is it? Yeah, it is kite. Yeah, Kamran, yes, it is kite. You are right. Yeah, and it is colorful kite. It's amazing. Have you ever flown before? You did? Yeah. How was it? It was exciting. It was fun. That's great. I see you all like kite. That's great. Let's look at our story. Everyone look at smartboard. Or your laptop, so you can look at. Story. Before reading our story, I want you all look at here. We have one new word. Is shout. What does it mean? Shout. To speak loudly. You are right. Shout means to speak loudly. It is true. So guys, let's look at our story. As we see, our story written in dialogues. Yes, it is true. In dialogues. We have characters here. Chubby, Jerry, Raven, sheep, yeah, and also storyteller. It is true. So guys, I want we start reading in dialogues. We choose characters. Actually, you can choose your own character. You all decided who is who? All right, let's start our reading. Yeah. Yes. That's great. We done our story. Everything is clear. Did you like it? It's interesting, yeah. By the way, it is the first part of our story. Next part we are going to learn in our next lessons. Now guys, let's look at our smartboard. You can look at your laptop too. You see pictures here. The pictures are about story, but there is something mistake. What is it? Yeah, you are right. Pictures are in disorders. Now guys, I want you all work in groups. So 3 groups and 4 students in each group. We did it before, you are right. We see pictures here in disorders. I want you write it in correct order. But as I mentioned, 3 groups and 4 students in each group. So 4 students, one is creator, one is writer, one is editor, and the other is volunteer. Yeah, we did it before. Creator, yes, creates sentence. Writer, writes sentence. Editor, edit. Yes, you are right. Find out any mistakes, any grammatical or spelling mistakes. Volunteer comes in front of the class and presents their work. Yeah, it is true. Now let's start working. Every group working. Yeah. Yeah, we done. We are done. That's great. Excellent work together. Yeah, proud of you. That's great work. So guys, now I want you all look at next task. Next task is questions about story. Now I want individual work. Everyone works individual. Write the answers on worksheet. Everyone writing. We will discuss together when we done. Yeah. Okay, let's look at questions now. Why was Jerry proud? Why he was proud? Yes, you are right. He made great kite. That's great. Why did children laugh at him? Why? Yes, you are right. Yes. Why didn't Jerry help Chubby? Why he didn't help him? Yeah, he had to go home. That's true. Why do you think 9 times means? 9 times means. Yes, excellent. It's great. What do you think the ant's answer was? What do you think? Great. So, everyone, good job.